Right, so here we go with the Lidl's glider. Now, these are pretty famous bits of kit from Lidl's. If you have a look at it, you can see that it is made by PlayLive. They're supposed to be pretty good, and people have actually converted these into kind of proper remote control gliders, slope soarers or whatever you call it. So by carving out the insides and putting radio gear in, kind of thing. So yeah, let's have a look. So the tails, move the tail unit to adjust the flight. So I guess going up or straight or down slightly. You can set it up for loops, soaring. It's quite big. If you look at the measurements here, it's got 86 centimetre wingspan, 68 centimetres in length, and I think it's about 17 centimetres high. I guess looking at the tail plane. What else have we got? Guaranteed for 3 years. Yeah, so $7.99. A pretty good value, I would have thought. Let's have a look. With Lidl stuff, it's a bit kind of seasonal, so I haven't seen these in Lidl's for a few years, and I was going to get one. People sell them on eBay for a lot more, like 20 quid, but you just have to hang around and wait for these things to come back. Got the one-handed open. Everything is absolutely sealed to death these days. Right, so bit of random plastic packaging. And that is it. So you get, it looks smaller actually out of the box. This is the main part. What we're going to do is we're going to do a flying test out of the window, I think. And also we'll do a test just on the ground. Got the instruction book here. As always, nobody really reads these things. There's not much to it. You got some the stickers as well to put on if you want to do that. Children 8 years and over. Right, let's get constructing. Let's have a little, I was just look at the box and get the idea of how these things should go together. I'm guessing it's like that. If you look at that, you've got the bigger bit at the front and the smaller bit at the back, so it should be a case of just slotting this into place without bending anything too much. That seems a better way of doing it. Right, that should be central. Oh, doesn't look it though. Oh, that's not bad. And we got this bit on the back. Again, that just pushes into place. Like so, and that's it. I'm thinking we need to cut these for cutting. That's weird. I had the impression that something was adjustable on this. I get you. Loops, soaring. So, depends which way round you put this. That is soaring. I might get this wrong, I'm just sort of making it up really. No, that's soaring. If we look. Yeah, that's soaring. Or is that loops? No, that'd be loops. Like that. Yeah, it's got to be loops. We'll go for loops. We'll put it on that setting. Right. Let's see. Oh, it's a bit of flex in there. Right, let's see how this goes.